Hi, Secretary. Immediate other concern po. It's so hot na po. So ano po ang nakahanda ba yung hospitals for heat stroke patients? And ano po yung mga emergency, yung first aid that we can do?
So let me say that the Department of Health has declared code white of all our hospitals. That means they're ready for all the incidents that can happen for people traveling for this Holy Week. Number two, of course, are warnings for the effects of heat illness, especially for people going to hot areas like the beaches. So very important, stay protected. So sunscreen for those going out, hydration, and then don't stay too long in the sun for those people. And then, of course, every Holy Week, nagkakaroon kami ng mga problems of drowning and near drowning. So very important then to make and watch your family, especially in these places where you are vacationing and relaxing. Make sure do not drink and drive, do not text and drive, and follow the rules of the road. Sana walang road rage kasi nga ano naman tayo, di ba? Holy Week. Be patient and be kind to the other road users.
Nakaramdam ng something, ano po ba yung gagawin?
Okay, so usually if it's a heat-related illness, it starts with either thirst, very severe thirst, tapos you can have a lot of cold sweats, and then eventually pagka hindi mo na correct yun, magko-collapse ka. So it's important early on na mag-cool down ka. So the first thing you have, if you're thirsty, you drink plenty of water. If you feel weak, fatigue, ang tinatawag na next step after thirst is yung heat fatigue or heat weaknesses, mag-shade ka na or mag-aircon ka na. So very important. Majority of the heat illnesses, nagre-recover basta na-treat early. We do not wait for them na mag-collapse. Kasi pag nag-collapse ka sa emergency, and tuloy mo, we will have to treat you in an emergency setting.
Thank you very much.
Prone yung mga matatanda at mga bata at yung mga may illness. So make sure these people don't stay too out in the hot environment.